but thank you. I don't have any something on my face right now. I'm a little bit shy. Hindi ako nakaayos. Sorry. Kahit anong kulay bagay. I don't think so. Pag ba nagka-jowa ka, ipapera ang hoodie mo? No, good question. Yeah. Pag please rap more in your next comeback. Yeah, sure. Pag maraming rap. Pag lang din. Pag nagka-jowa and parang malabo siya now, hindi ko pa siya priority. My priority now is our group, New Days, my career in general. Yeah. Wala bang info dyan kung kailan CB? Noong November 2024 dapat meron, pero ayun. Last year, November 2024 guys, dati, but di siya natuloy. Fan meet, yeah, gusto ko din mag fan meet, pero hindi ko alam kung ilan sa inyo yung pupunta. That's why. Kaya guys, pag nagka-fan meet kami, punta kayo. Pupunta ako. Yeah, nice. Pupunta din ako pag may fan meet kami. Kami na lang mag-organize. Sige. Can you say Chicharon, Durog? Yeah. Kahit saan yan nilipawin namin. Wow, nice naman. Ako taga-makeup nyo. Sige. Ba't ang cute mo? Of course. Wow. Aside from being ISTP, my MBTI is CUT. Kahit sa Mars. Sige. Ako na bodyguard. Okay. Sige. Pag ikaw yung need ng bodyguard, lagot. Same tayo, MBTI. Ako na manager. Tama, Good morning po, Joyce. Good morning, Rona Swift. Sagot ko na Pansit Canton. Yes, thank you po sa Pansit Canton. Paborito ko din Pansit Canton. Chili Mansi. Sagot ko na rin ramen. Thank you po. Thank you. Buti nun ang maaga ako nagising. Buti na lang late na ako natutulog. Diyan ako masaya mag-bike sa Batanes. Mag-enjoy ka dun. Really. Pero malayo siya. Soon, baka naman. Sagot ko lang, nice. Masabi ko lang, paborito ko siya nung high school. Anong next hair color? Hindi ko pa alam, guys. No idea. Nakakain ka street foods? Siyempre, of course, guys. Gusto ko, kikiam tapos kwek-kwek. Paborito ko yun sa mga street foods. Kaya minsan may inaabangan ako dito sa labas ng dorm. May nagtitinda dito minsan, tapos yun lagi yung kinakain ko sa mga tinda. Kasi yun tayo favorite, di ba? Easy go. What's the time for you? It's 5:16 here. Dala ako next time pag nag-meet tayo. Wow. Yeah, dapat yung luto na. Joke lang. It's the time for us. Wow. Ayos yan, pare. Joke lang. Ayoko na pumasok. Tama, huwag ka na pumasok. Babagsak ka din naman. Joke lang. Joke lang. Good night. Good night po. Good morning dapat eh. Love you. Pag nagpagupit ka, jump undercut, I think bagay sa'yo. Really. Sige. Try ko. Anong college ko lang choice mo to attend? Hindi ko pa alam, guys. Suggest kayo. Pero wag. Ang mahal kasi ng mga tuition now eh. Wow. Pero yeah. Anong really? Na sige, wait lang, kunin ko lang yung charger. Bulacan State University, libre ng kalawang alang kapalit. Ooh. Good morning, Jom. Good morning, bro. The hair. What about my hair? It's not charging, guys. Like, oh shoot. Problems in my charger recently. It's not charging sometimes. Wait lang, guys, 잠시만. Why is it not charging? Come on, I'm only 2% right now. Now it's charging. Ang QP ka, tas kapalit buhay mo. How are you so handsome? I don't know too. Am I handsome? Am I handsome? I'm not sure too. May naisip ka na bang course? Computer science. yung nasa isip ko na, but still, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Do you prefer dogs or cats? Cats. Nawalan dyan. Nope. Ang tagal ko na ang tagal ko nang nag-live, di ba? Walang nakalagay dito tawag dito. Time. Yeah, may araw na. Good morning, guys. I'm not sure how long. Ano oras ka ba nag-start? Maybe 4:30? I'm not sure. Hi, Kun. Hello, Lalalis. 1 hour, 26 minutes na talaga live. Really? Oh my God. Parang ito na ata matagal na live. Ay, yung nga pala, I'm naka-aircon, guys. Kaya pala ang taas ng bill sa kuryente. Ramen. Yeah, ramen. I'm going to make ramen. Give me some. I want ramen too right now. Please. Nag-breakfast ka na. Not yet. Because I'm gonna sleep at breakfast. Huwag ka mag-ramen sa breakfast. Why? Ano mas ka magigising yan? I don't know. Maybe 6. Wow. Bale, gising lang talaga ako sa gabi. Tapos pag may schedule lang kami, ako natutulog na maaga. Are you open-minded? Oh, you look very beautiful. Put your number in my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yeah, gabi na nga body clock ko. Sobrang sobrang unhealthy na. Korean accent. Opo, hindi pa ako Korean language aral. Ang inaral ko po ay yung accent lang. Excuse me. Do you live Aro? Ganun. Kuwang-kuwa talaga. Mahilig akong manggaya ng boses. Or like, ganun. Na kung sino man yung matagpan ko. Spicy ramen or chicken flavor? Chicken flavor. My name is Sean. I'm from South Korea. North Korea no. Kyrie Irving or the Kyrie ML player? Yung ganito pala tong hindi yan, guys. Hindi nakakaangas yan eh. Kyrie on it. I'm a Hongdae guy, guys. Not the real Hongdae guy, but I like going to Hongdae when the sun is out. Yeah. Do you know Korean? 조금만. Aga naman mag-live. Oy, sorry na. Hindi to maaga for me. Late na to for me. If ever I see you, can I ask for, of course. Bye, magkikilos na ako for work. Yeah. Bye-bye, Joyce. I can only do Thai accent. Hindi ko pa na-try yun. Anong go-to song mo lately? Style by Hatsu Hatsu. Every time na magbabike ako, i-play ko na yung pinakauna. Tapos sunod-sunod. I think it's time to book a flight to the Philippines. Yeah. Let's take a picture together. Nakikinig ka po sa Wave 3. Yeah. Sobra ako nakikinig. Di mas... So, tama ba yung sobra? I mean, nakikinig ako sa Wave 3. Dancing or singing. Of course. Halata na yung ano dyan. Dancing. Can you recommend something in the Philippines? I recommend our group, a Filipino pop group. Yeah. What exactly should I recommend you? Should I recommend to you? What's your fave song sa Wave 3? Yung ano, tawag dito. Love. May meme din eh. Ano yung meme na? Nalimutan ko na yung meme. Basta sa lyrics yun eh. Rapping or singing. Singing po. Any clothing brand recommendations? Bershka. Zara. Yeah. Bershka. Zara. Baba. Pull&Bear. Maganda. Oh! Hindi. Pen shop guys. Pen shop po. Pen shop po yung maganda. Magandang clothing brand is Pen shop. Erase. No, it's okay. I'm not... wala naman ako sa trouble. Pero yeah, yung mga sinabi kong brand, yeah, yun yung magaganda. Doon ako bumibili minsan. Doon ako naghahanap minsan. Naghahanap. Thoughts on cheesecake? I like cheesecake. What I should have I seen in the Philippines food, huh? Recommendation? Feeling ko food. You should try Filipino foods like adobo, sinigang, nilaga. Yeah. Favorite number 3. Sino favorite character mo sa AOT? Levi. Favorite flavor, ice cream, cookies and cream. Naruto. Okay, Naruto. Nung bata ako, si Gaara yung favorite ko. Sasuke din. And Naruto. Yung tatlong yun. Eren, Aramin. Sightseeing. Usually go to Tagaytay. I'm hindi ko sure. I'm not sure. Favorite anime. A lot. Parang every time na mapapanood yung isang anime, favorite ko siya. Pero pinaka naano talaga ako, Attack on Titan. Are you still in Korea? No. Not anymore, guys. It's been almost a year, I guess. Princess. I'm not princess. You live there. Yeah, but yeah. Sorry. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. Just turned 20. It's fine, princess. Fave K-drama? Our Beloved Summer. Yeah. Bye na dyan. Pasok na ako. Yeah, pasok na kayo. Ingat po kayo. Matulog ka na dyan. Kaloka. Joke lang. Hindi ko papasahin yun. Pero sana nga po. Or kahit ibang kahit ibang management. Have you watched Business Proposal yet? It's funny. Yeah, I've watched Business Proposal. Sejong, right? Pero hindi ko na siya matandaan yung mga nangyari dun. Squid Game, yeah. Manhwa recommendation. The beginning after the end. The best. I don't know if it's a manhwa, because I think it's not from Korea. But still, it's in nasa website siya ng mga manhwa. So, ayan. Or I pay you and you show me the Philippines. No, it's okay. You don't have to pay me. Just, pay me with food. And then I'll show you the Philippines. Sinimulan Tibet, hindi ko naman. Maganda pa ito. Maganda talaga Tibet. Sobra. So good. Yun yung pinakaunang nakapagpabasa ng sa akin. Light Novel. I love you too, Elena. Nagko-code M ka po pa dati. But now hindi na. Hindi ako masyadong milig sa mobile games. Sige, basahin ko na lang. Good choice. So it's a deal. You show me the Philippines and I give you food. Yeah, it's a deal. Valorant, yeah. Valorant. Right now, Valorant is my main game na nilalaro. Yeah. Niraralo. Among Us ba? Among Us? Ayoko niyan. Medyo may ako to, yung nagpunas ng cake ng birthday mo. What? Okay, babawian kita. Do you play Roblox? Dati. I used to play Roblox, but not right now. No, not anymore, guys. Grow a garden. Nah. I don't play Roblox na, guys. Among Us na tayo now. I don't have, tawag dito. Among Us. Tara, Valorant tayo now na. Dali. Kung sinong dyan, Valorant now. Visible po ako sa seller. Am I the seller? Okay, binibenta namin yung group namin. Kahit ako na lang, o kahit yung group, yung mga kanta namin. Yeah, you're visible. Ay, hindi mo rin mag-valo. Mag-valo na kayo. Wala lang, mag-valo lang kayo. Joke lang, ha? Siyempre, ML lang alam ko. Oh, I don't play ML. Sayang naman. Paturo mag-valo, sige. Sige, tuon mo ako. Sige, mag-aano ako ng tutorial mag-valo. Joke lang. Anong oras mo ba matulog? Mga 8 or 9. No, mag-ano ako ng tutorial sa FB. Ay, sa FB, sa TikTok. Magpo-post ako. Nakalagay doon, ganito, mag-install kayo, buksan nyo, maglaro kayo, mamawil kayo, mampatay kayo ng mga kalaban. Yun na. Parang super cozy ng ganyan. Yeah. Sabi nga nila. Hello, I'm a fan from America and I love New Eid. My biases are you in that. Oh, thank you so much. Where in America? What state? 9 na pa, diretso na ako work. Wow. Ayaw mag-room tour naman. Nag-room tour ako kanina. Sorry guys. Kung di nyo naabutan, sorry na lang. North Carolina. I live in the States though, but you're... I live in other states though, but you're... thank you, bro. Thank you so much. 5 stars. Lugi. Hindi naman siya room tour. Parang mabilisang lang siya. Pinakita ko lang. Okay, mabilisan lang din. But my room now is a little bit messy. Papakita ko lang. Yeah. Yeah, I have a red light bulb here. Mirror. Yeah, I have lamps. Yeah. Ayun lang. May shoes. May shoes din doon. Ayan. Naging si Inger. I have stuffed animals right there. Di na siya nakita. Nagwat ka ba right now? Wala. Mahilig ako sa sa lamps. Kaya ganito yung room. Hindi ko binubuksan yung main na ilaw. Naglalaro ka po Stardew Valley. Hindi. Miss you, Boss Jomer. Miss you din mga boss. Medyo pink. It's pink, guys. Kasi isang bleach lang to. Ito dalawa. That's why. So mas kitang-kita yung pink. Nagstay yung pink dito. Dito mas nag-light. Pwede yung motivation. Paano motivation yan? Yeah, ito dalawang bleach. Then yung mga nasa under, isa lang. Kaya mas ano siya. Okay, have you thought of dyeing your hair brown, your brows too? I dyed it, but di ko nagustuhan. So, blend ako siya ulit. Talagang blend ako siya. May picture ata ako nun eh. Hindi ko ba yun? Opsoyo. Wala. Inano ko na yun. Hikun Bug Charm. I think you guys should have more fans here. Hopefully, sana po. Yeah, andito pa siya. Wait, kita po. Yeah. Nasa ano siya? Nasa pegboard. Ito na nga mag-live, matutulog niya sana ulit ako. Noon more bata. Oh, long time no see. Bale, nalimutan ko. 오랜만에요. Unsatisfying on keyboard. Wait, okay. It's not that satisfying for me. I want it more creamy and tacky. How are you? I'm good. You may charging soil. You may. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Ano po default browser mo? Opera. You're so pretty, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm not pretty, guys. Just a bit. You're a goddess. Do you watch Street Woman Fighter? I watched some clips. Yeah. 안녕 나지. Opera GX, yeah. Mas mag-aalas 6 na. Wow, new record mo na to, bossing. Oo, new record nga to. Gusto niyo na ba ako mag-end? Should I end my live here? Right now? Wag muna, why? Hello, GB Tuga GB. No, 4:30 can I start? Maybe? What if magkaroon ng SM Global sasali ka? I don't know. Kaya pa naman ang mata ko. Pwede akong sumali, but I'm not sure. Dance ko muna. Wow. What dance? Just kidding. I have been a fan since pre-debut. Wow, thank you po. Thank you, Elena. Ano pala genre mo sa dance? I've tried a lot. Yeah. But hip-hop is my main. Kaya ko mag-iba ng genre, but may hip hop pa rin. Hip hop pa rin yung main ko, feeling ko. I'm going to the Philippines. Did you reco? What recommendation? Are you asking for recommendations? What food or what? You should try Filipino foods like adobo, sinigang. Yeah. 시식 너무 맛있어요. 진짜 제일 좋아. 시니강 맞아. Good luck your Kai. You had you tried it already. How was it? Ang gagal niyo, I swear. I saw you at Washington. Thank you po. Promise gagalingan pa namin sa mga future ganap namin. It was good. Adobo? No, adobo. Yeah. 진짜 맛있어요. 너무 맛있어. If you choose one, tutting or walking? Tutting. Anong fave Korean food mo nga? Fave Korean? Madami din, pero yung rice ball, ito. 참치 주먹밥. I'm on the way to my another college day. Oh, okay. 근데 너무 잘생겨요. 누구? Ang hirap naman. What do you mean? No, 너무 귀여워. 사랑해. 나도 사랑해. 나도 사랑해. Your accent is so good, bro. Like, what do you mean? Yeah, no. 나도. 나도 사랑해. You may. I 사랑 you all. 맞아. Ayun, nagko-Korean na siya. Onti lang, guys. Onti lang talaga. Nakakaintindi pero not. Can't construct sentences. Are you well? Of course, I'm well.